Hey there. Facing the dreaded no signal message on your LG TV when trying to use an HDMI connection? Let's sort out how to fix monitor no signal HDMI on LG TV. You're not alone, and fortunately, it's often a straightforward problem to resolve. In this guide, we'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to get your devices communicating again and get your favorite content back on the screen. Step 1. Check your cable connection. First and foremost, ensure your HDMI cable is securely connected to both your device and your LG TV. A loose cable can often be the culprit in connection issues. Unplug the HDMI cable from both ends, then firmly reconnect it to the TV and source device, such as a computer or gaming console or Blu-ray player, ensuring the cables are fully inserted. Step 2. Inspect the HDMI port. HDMI ports can sometimes get worn out or clogged with dust. Examine the ports both on your TV and device. If they appear dirty, gently clean them using a can of compressed air. Also, try using a different HDMI port on the TV to rule out the possibility of a faulty port. Most LG TVs offer multiple HDMI ports, so switch to another one and adjust the TV input accordingly. Step 3. Test with a different HDMI cable. Sometimes the issue might be with the HDMI cable itself. Try using a different HDMI cable if you have one available. Over time, cables can become damaged or fail, so swapping out your current cable with another can quickly diagnose if it's the root of your problem. Step 4. Select the correct input source. Make sure your TV is set to the correct input source. Use your LG TV remote to navigate to the Input or Source button and select the HDMI port number that corresponds to where your device is connected. It's a simple oversight, but often fixing the input can resolve the issue immediately. Step 5. Restart your devices. Sometimes a quick restart can fix connectivity issues. Turn off your LG TV and the connected device. Unplug them both from the power source for about 30 seconds. Afterward, plug them back in and power both devices back on. This refresh can often re-establish the connection between your TV and the HDMI source. Step 6. Enable HDMI deep color setting. Some devices require HDMI deep color for better video quality. Navigate to your LG TV settings and find the option for HDMI Ultra HD deep color. Enable this setting for the HDMI port you are using, as it can sometimes resolve compatibility issues and enhance your viewing experience. Step 7. Update your TV's firmware. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause connectivity problems. Access the settings on your LG TV. Navigate to the About or General section and check for any available firmware updates. If updates are available, install them and restart your TV to see if the issue persists. Following these steps can help you fix the monitor no signal HDMI issue on LG TV, ensuring you enjoy seamless streaming and gaming experiences. By checking cables, ports, input settings, and firmware updates, most HDMI-related issues can be quickly resolved. If you continue to experience problems after trying these solutions, it may be worth reaching out to LG customer support for further assistance. Happy watching.